How to cancel Deliveroo Rider application. If you want to cancel your Deliveroo Rider application, here's a simple step-by-step guide to follow. Contact Deliveroo support. The easiest way to cancel your application is by contacting Deliveroo's customer support. They will be able to delete your application if you wish to stop the restart process. Go to the application website. Instead of using the mobile app, head over to the official Deliveroo website, which is deliveroo.co.uk, and then navigate to the writer sections. Once on the website, find the section called Partnering with Us. Switch over to the writers to access the writer specific options. You will be redirected to a page for writers. Access supports on the writer page. Tap on the menu and look for the support sections. If the page doesn't load immediately, try refreshing it and contact us. Once the support page loads, search for the Contact Us in option. This option will be available under frequently asked questions, such as those related with withdrawing or account management, and then submit your request, and then choose the option that best describes your position either as a writer or applicant. Provide your details like your name, email a writer, writer ID, and city of the applications. You'll select the cancel and my application as your reason for contacting them. Explain your reason or request in the message sections. Explain that you would like to cancel your application, or if you prefer, you can request to restart the application process and attach any necessary documents or messages that supports your request, and that's all. You've now taken the necessary steps to cancel your delivery rider application. Thank you for watching.